Hello. In today's video, what we are going to do, we are going to connect to a public website and bring data into Power BI. And you'll see Power BI is smart enough to identify tables, records, row and columns. So I already have selected a website, and you can go to pretty much any public website as this one. This website has a list of countries, population, so on and so forth. So we are going to bring this data into Power BI. So I already copied the address to my clipboard. So let's go ahead and do that. Uh, Again, you can just go to get data and simply select web, or go to more and select web. When you click on web, it should come up. Just simply type in the URL, uh, click OK, and it is connecting to that website and identifying all the table tags that's on that website. Now it's going to present us with the tables that it has identified. It really depends on the website, and usually when you connect to website, it takes a little time. So it's going and communicating with the website, going through the web tags and HTML tags, and identifying where table starts, where table ends, where column starts, list, rows, and etc. So now it has almost, so right here it has identified table 1, table 2, and if I click on one of them, you will see the data right here. Or if I click on table 2, and there's some data as well. So let's just stick with table 1 because it's a lot more data right here. Just click on load, and as it is loading, I'm going to minimize that website. Now you can see it's evaluating. It should bring up data fairly quickly. Again, also depends on the performance and the amount of data that you are bringing in. Shouldn't take too long. Usually takes 30-40 seconds, again depending on the amount of data you are bringing in. So here's it's loading at 232 rows. As you can see, if I go to the field, it's coming in, sorry. If I go to the field section, here is the table, and if I go to 34 section, here it's same data as what you were seeing right here at this website. So good. And now we can go ahead and start building reports, or if you go into data model, you can see we have the table right here, and we can rename it and all that, and that's in the future videos. Hopefully you like the contents of it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.